Hey, good day, my name is Jazer, and today I'm going to teach you how to actually prepare for a piano performance. Tip number one is to practice slowly and without pedal. Now, this one is a super important one for me because in my experience, most students tend to rush through their practice without sort of real thought into each and every note, into each and every detail of their piece. So they sort of play through their piece, they rely on muscle memory, and they haven't actually sat down before to consider and to make sure that they've got each and every note of the piece right. So when you walk up on stage and you're nervous, right? Chances are that nervousness is going to expose some of your weaker parts that you haven't actually looked at in detail. And those are the parts that you stuff up, which kills your confidence. We don't want that. So please learn to practice slowly and without pedal in your practice. Think about it like a game. I think about my practice as a game. So let's say my piece has 500 notes. I'm trying to get all 500 notes. I'm not trying to get 490, I'm trying to get all 500 notes. So I practice it slowly, I practice it very mindfully, I'm concentrating 100% on my piece, and I'm trying to get every single note. I'm trying to be super detail oriented when I'm practicing. Tip number two is to record yourself. Why record yourself? When you record yourself, you are putting yourself under the pressure of being watched when you're performing, which is really important. When you go onto that stage, you will be watched. So why not learn to be watched at home? So what I do is I put the camera onto the side of my piano and I just press record and I play. Let me show you. So it's pretty simple to do. All I have to do is grab a tablet or a phone, and I normally chuck it over here and then press record. Tip number three is to run through the walk up several times. When you're performing, nothing should catch you off guard. So my recommendation is practice walking up, bowing, performing, bowing again, and then finishing up, walking away. Practice that whole routine so that nothing on the day catches you off guard. You want to walk up on stage feeling like you've done that many, many times, and this is just a really normal thing for you. So there you go. Those were 3 tips on how you can prepare for a performance so that you can get the flawless performance you've always wanted. What is your favorite thing to do to prepare for a performance? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you as well. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more piano content like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.